Hi everybody, happy Solstice weekend. I just wanted to let everyone know that is in the LA area, I am offering a very limited amount of live personal sessions at Sacred Light Crystal Shop from Sunday, June 23rd through Wednesday, June 26th. If you would like to book a session with me face-to-face, please email me chloe@worldpeaceprojects.global. You can call or text me 760-607-9869. I hope you enjoy the transmission. So thank you all for showing up this evening. Thank you for coming forward and holding space for yourselves and for all of us. And I'm going to ask that all of us set an intention, along with your personal intentions, to offer this transmission in this solar gateway energy into the conscious grid of humanity, into our Earth Mother, who feeds us and nourishes us and keeps us. And I'm going to invite you to surrender your need to understand on a mental level everything that the guides might bring through. They may speak in a way that their words might be a little bit foreign. Though just know that everything that they transmit is filled with very specific light energy to assist you in the most personal way that you could possibly receive it. And if you feel safe and comfortable in these moments, please give your higher selves, your benevolent higher guides, permission to offer you exactly what you're needing. And let's take another moment to acknowledge the crystalline kingdom, tuning into their vibration. Thank them for assisting you and give them permission to help you in whatever way that they assess you need. And breathe into your heart space, breathe into your belly, breathe into your perineum. Your perineum is where you anchor your kundalini, your life force energy. And as you breathe in, we're going to open up a portal above your heads, calling in the solar frequencies, calling in from the great central sun of Alcyone, the sun that feeds our sun, opening up to receive this liquid golden light like honey dripping into your crown. Give your biology, your cells permission to absorb and be saturated in light. And as this energy oozes into you and fills you up, imagine you look down and you see a portal opening, and the crystalline kingdom in the high vibrational energy of Earth comes flowing up towards you, beautiful rainbow colors, like a wave. Open the chakras and the soles of your feet and receive. Let this energy wash into you, cleansing and clearing, flushing your bone marrow, your blood, your lymph nodes, your lungs, reproductive organs, gold and rainbow filling up your skin, hair, teeth, and nails, sinking into your mental body, your thoughts, your memories, your worries, expanding into your emotional body, all of your feelings, your joy, your suffering, your pain, oozing into your sexuality, both to your sensuality, your physical engagement, and your creative passion pursuits. And fully immersing you etherically, energetically. You are frequency, you are vibration. And as you experience the vibration of the bowls, allow yourself to melt, release your need to feel the boundaries of your body. Allow yourself to access your truth that is vibration. We're going to connect into what's called the unified field. 0 point, creator source energy, the all that is, what have you. We are all that is. We are all vibration. And in this space, you are welcome to allow your problems, your woes, your limitations, your concerns to disperse and dissipate like water. The all that is fully expansive. And your human issues, as important and as significant and as valuable as they are a very easy reception for the all that is. And surrender these as you simultaneously open up to bringing in, like a sponge, the joy, the adventure, the curiosity, the safety of the all that is. And be aware that you are anchored into and grounded safely, even as you no longer have boundaries. You're no longer limited to your human body. Giving your higher self, your guides, permission to come forward now and assist you. We're going to call in the archangels and the archaea because they're masters of frequency. And if you're comfortable, receive them. Calling in Archangel Michael with his sapphire flame. He comes forward and supports your back body. He offers you will. He offers you strength of will. Receive him. Ask him for help. Calling in Archangel Raphael, he comes into your right with an emerald flame. He offers you magic. He assists your mental capacity to open and expand, release limitations. Calling in Archangel Gabriel to your left. She brings the white diamond flame. She offers you support, love, nurturance to your emotional body. Give her permission to help you feel better, help you release what you hold on to, what you know you hold on to and what you have no clue that your subconscious and your unconscious have locked in. Calling in Archangel Uriel to the front, he waves in a ruby red flame, offering you existence in all of your material life, your physical body, your belongings, your reality. Ask for help to anchor in your desires into this physical plane. We summon Archangel Sandalphon from below. He waves in a white diamond and gold earth grid energy. Give him permission to magnetize out anything that no longer assists you, releasing. And from above, bringing in the Christ grid, we bring in Archangel Metatron, accessing gold and amethyst. Give him permission to assist you to connect very consciously in all now moments with your higher beings, with spirit, with divinity, whatever you are comfortable terming it. And furthermore, we honor and thank the sun, the solar beings, for feeding us, keeping us alive, nurturing us. And begin to sense a spiral in your bellies, an unwinding, if you will. An unwinding of your entire soul consciousness. You have created your soul, all of your experiences throughout all space and time. The accumulation of all of this equals your soul. And your soul is magnificent, is expansive, is an eternal entity. It has experienced everything. So all that it has experienced, that it may still hold on to, that does not serve you, allow it to unravel out of your belly. The magnetic energies of the archangels will draw it out with ease and efficiency. I'm going to call in Mother Mary, asking her to access the temple of the compassionate heart in all of your hearts, and show her, both known and unknown, all of your inner children, all of your pain body, what we term shadow work. Give her permission to help you release heart walls, take down blocks, feel courageous to be vulnerable. And as these amazing beings assist you and work to clear you and up-level you, I'm going to ask Saint Germain, one of my prominent guides, to come forward and speak to you now. At this time in your history, you are witness to an extravagant change. You are experiencing, on a first-hand basis, an evolution and a transformation of humankind. What is playing out in these timelines is unprecedented. Many of you have not the slightest clue of what I speak of, because you are human. Your human does not yet possess the capability to have our expansive views. And that is what makes you extremely unique. You are some of the most courageous beings in the universe, because in a way you walk blind. You walk through this life receiving pain, experiencing love and joy, and moving forward with trust. This makes you magnificent warriors. We honor this in you, and we are very grateful that you have chosen to experience this journey at this time. The love that you experience and offer, not only to your brethren, but to your planet and all the beings that are sentient, helps all of us in a way that we always wish we could convey. But it is impossible, because these words are limited. And so we come forward and we offer you assistance. Please know that you must always ask for help. You have been gifted what is called free will. Your free will deems that if you desire assistance from the beings that you may know are here to help you, you must ask, and we will always be of assistance for you. At this time, many of you are walking away from experiences that no longer serve you. All of you have gone through tumultuous events, and you have flourished in the sight of experiences that seemed would be almost impossible to overcome. Your sheer will offers you access into mass expansion. We help you at this time. If you give us permission, we will help you release and unravel, cut the cords, if you will, of everything you're ready to leave behind, especially those of you that have not a clue how to do it. That is what we're best at. And if you give us permission, we would like to offer you an opening, a gateway, a portal into your new endeavors. Though we must request that if you would like to access these portals, that you surrender the need to understand what is to come, and you allow the all that is to offer you the highest potential. Experiences far beyond what you could ever fathom that you desire. Your growth of the year of 2020 will be unprecedented. You are soon approaching an eclipse on July 2nd. This is going to be a time where many of you very easily, completely let go of what you do not need and do not want. And the transition will be so ease-filled and comfortable. All of you are expanding into more allowance and more joy. Abundance in all forms is here for you now. Please give your guides and your higher selves permission to offer you all levels of abundance. We would like to assist your bodies. We would like to assist your relationships. We would like to assist your lives, your financial reception, your happiness. We honor you deeply. And we are so grateful that you are willing to experience your life at this time. The human evolution is bringing in a release of what we term separation consciousness. You are unifying. You are releasing the limitations that lead you to believe that you are separate and outside of Source. This brings in an energetics of community, of happiness, of fulfillment, of connection. We ask you to embrace it. We ask you to give yourself permission to accept yourself. Receive yourself and understand that your value is immense. Your sheer existence is so valuable. The bodies that you have manifested and the experiences that you have create your soul. You are worthy of all things. We know this. We love you. We see this in you. We want you to receive your worth in the same way that we receive your worth. Please honor your mother. Please honor your planet. Please honor your brethren. If you're willing, take a moment and show us exactly what you would like to experience in the coming days and the coming times. offer up a manifestation bubble that we may assist you to experience in your physical reality. Allow it to be as grand as you can fathom and release any limitations, giving the universe permission to expand this far beyond the potential. Many changes are coming for all of you. Once July has come and gone, your lives may look completely different. And one thing is certain, that you will have expanded into more joy, more love, more fulfillment. There are many, many people that are ready to come into your lives that can serve and assist you, just as you can serve and assist them. Please give all of those that are aligned with your highest divine experiences permission to reach you now. The crystalline beings that are around you are honored to be present with you. As you know, they assist you to cleanse and clear your energetics, though do you know you assist them? Your sheer reception and your willingness to receive their help feeds the reason they exist. This is true with all things. Thank you for being willing to receive. We are going to ask Archangel Michael to commence a protection of your fields, to help you expand your safe and healthy boundaries, not only for your energetics, but for your relationships and your experiences in life. We are so honored to be here with you today. Thank you for allowing us to come forward and connect. You are beautiful and we love you.